Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome back to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you the news of cryptocurrency. The title is Oil Climbs as Tight Supply Move Back into Focus. Oil $1 a barrel on Thursday. A tight supply moved back into focus as a result of Saudi Arabia floating the idea of OPEC plus output cuts to support price and the prospect of a drop in United States crude inventories. The Saudi energy minister said OPEC plus had the means to deal with challenge including cutting production. State news agency SPA said on Monday, citing comments Abdulaziz bin Salman made to Bloomberg in an interview. Global benchmark Brent crude gained $1.32 or 1.4% to $97.80 a barrel by 1050 GMT. United States West Texas Intermediate crude whether cutting OPEC or OPEC plus output after September is justified is debatable, said Thomas Varga of oil broker PVM. Despite the recent inflation indicate weakness, the oil market seems to have found a bottom lately. Oil has soared in 2022, coming close in March to an all-time high of $147 after Russia's invasion of Ukraine exacerbated supply concern about a global recession, rising inflation, and weaker demand has since weighed on price. Also in focus is the prospect of a nuclear deal between Iran to boost oil exports. A senior United States official told Reuters on Monday that Iran had dropped some of its main demands on resurrecting a deal, while the price of Brent futures has fallen sharply from this year's high. The market structure and price differential in the physical oil market still point to supply tightness in the comments report on Monday. The Saudi minister said the paper and physical oil markets had become disconnected, underlining tight supply. The latest weekly report of United States inventories are expected to show a decline of 1.5 million barrels in crude stocks. The first of this week to report is out at 20:30 GMT from the American Petroleum Institute. The Saudi energy minister said had the means to deal with challenge including cutting production. State news agency SPA said on Monday, citing comments Abdulaziz bin Salman made to Bloomberg in an interview. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you to next video.